All rise. Judge Bundaby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1040, Golden case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mr. Belk, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Well, long story short, I was put on child support by my baby's mother. And for the past year, I've basically been having full custody. Not legal, of course. She comes and goes as she pleases, pops up unannounced, and I'm here today to place her on child support.
Okay. How old is your child?
My child is 4 years old.
Boy or girl?
She's a little girl.
Okay. And you said mom just pops up every now and then. For the past year, your daughter has been living with you?
Completely careless, just shows whenever she pleases.
Stay tuned. Today's legal battle is heating up. In a pivotal custody case, Mr. Bilk is seeking a major change to his child support agreement after spending the past year as the primary caregiver for his 4-year-old daughter. Meanwhile, the child's mother has been largely absent, only making occasional visits. Now, he's asking the court to hold her financially responsible. As the judge opens the proceedings, Mr. Bilk lays out his case, sparking an important debate on custody, rights, financial fairness, and shifting parenting roles. The outcome of this case could set a powerful precedent, reshaping what it means to be accountable as a parent.
What is she doing? Do you know?
I have no idea. I've heard here and there that she's really living that party life, so I mean, that's none of my business, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm just here for my daughter and to take care of her.
Okay, understood. Do you know where mom worked last? Do you know how much money she makes?
I do not, Your Honor, I do not have that information with me.
Okay, when was the last time you actually seen her?
As of today, it's been about 4 months.
Oh, okay, and that was the last time your daughter has seen her too? Okay, all right. So this what we'll do immediately. It's obvious that she gave the child to you and you are her primary caretaker now, so it wouldn't be fair to continue your child support obligation. So what we're gonna do is stop yours and then start a child support obligation on her. I see that she was served to be here today. She's not here.
Taking the stand, Mr. Bilk delivers an emotional account of his journey as the primary caregiver for his 4-year-old daughter. He paints a stark contrast between his daily responsibilities and the mother's infrequent visits, highlighting the weight of single parenthood. While she appears to lead a carefree lifestyle, he shoulders the full burden of raising their child. His goal is simple: securing the financial support his daughter deserves. Though he admits he's unsure of the mother's employment status or income, his focus remains on creating a stable future. This case sheds light on the tough realities of single parenting and the challenges of co-parenting when one parent isn't pulling their weight.
And obviously you don't know where she is. You haven't seen her in the past 4 months. How many other children does she have?
She has 3 children.
Including your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I don't have any financial information in front of me for her, but what I can do is put her on child support based on what it would be around minimum wage for 3 kids. Do you have health insurance on your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
How much is it?
It's around $650, $675.
Is that for you and the child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how many people are on that insurance?
It's just me and her.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll divide that by 2 because by law, she's only required to carry health insurance for the child only. Okay, so I'll make her child support set at minimum wage, which is around $213, plus the half of the $675. So her child support obligation will come out to $550.50 every month. All right, and that's what we'll do. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
In a decisive ruling, The judge sides with Mr. Bilk, officially eliminating his child support obligations and placing the financial responsibility on the mother. Given her minimal involvement and lack of documented income, the court sets her monthly payments at $550, factoring in health insurance and using minimum wage as a baseline. This verdict underscores the legal system's commitment to prioritizing a child's well-being over a parent's level of engagement. It's a powerful reminder that stepping back from parenting doesn't erase financial duty. Supporting a child is a lifelong commitment, no exceptions.
Hi guys, it's me, Judge Vonda B. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Belk case. Dad was ordered to pay child support previously. Child was living with mom. Well, what did you hear interesting about that case? The child has now been living with dad for the past year, so it wouldn't be fair to keep dad on child support. Therefore, his case needs to be modified. Well, what mom did is known as voluntary relinquishment. What is that exactly? Voluntary relinquishment is when one parent gives up their possession of the child to the other parent. When that occurs, the parent who gave up the child should then start paying child support. So that's why in this case, mom was ordered to pay child support to dad. Something else you may have noticed, mom was not present for court. Remember guys, like we've discussed in our previous episodes, make sure that when you're served with papers to be in court, you always appear.
With a firm and insightful decision, Judge Vonda wraps up the case, making one thing clear: giving up custody does not mean escaping financial responsibility. She emphasizes that child support should reflect shifts in caregiving roles and that the court's top priority is always the child's well-being. Also delivers a crucial warning: ignoring legal proceedings won't make them disappear, and accountability is not a choice. This case stands as a powerful reminder that parenting goes beyond physical presence. It's a lifelong commitment, both emotionally and financially. The ruling sends an unmistakable message. Stepping away from raising a child does not erase a parent's duty to provide. It's a fair and balanced resolution to a case that carried both legal and emotional weight.